Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to create a customized Roblox avatar. First, I need to find an image for my Roblox avatar. For example, I am going to search the face of Mask of Madness. So I'm going to search and click this one so we have here images. And all I have to do is to click this photo and save this one. Now I can go to PixArt and start my editing. So in here, all I have to do is to create new project and I will upload my save photo, the Mask of Madness. So all I have to do is to click this one and find the location and then here, open, and I need to drag the picture and I will start my editing. Everything is up to you. You can add some stickers or you can draw and do anything with your photo here. But for my Roblox avatar, all I want is this image and I don't want to add any. Once done, click download and make sure that the file type is PNG. Now go to Roblox and then open file location. Kind of look for content and then click texture. Now you need to copy paste here the image for your Roblox avatar. So drag the picture here and then click this one. After that, you need to find the file and kindly change that into face PNG. Click this and then click yes. Now log into your Roblox account and then kindly click avatar. So here is your avatar and you don't need to click this one here. Always make sure that you uncheck this area so that you can customize your Roblox avatar. So after that, all you need to do is to look for a game to start. For example, I am going to choose this game, Event Blocks Fruits. Click this and wait for a couple of seconds for you to download and install your game. So here it is. So as you can see, it's loading data and then all you have to do is to start. And this is your customized Roblox avatar. This is the image you edited earlier using PixArt. If you find this video helpful and informative, make sure to subscribe for more. See you in the next video.